Down movement, nigga. Back on my shit, nigga. Niggas say they got 5 on it, nigga. I mean, niggas say they be smoking, nigga, but they ain't smoking good. You know what I'm saying? They ain't smoking no good shit, nigga. Nigga, I got 5 on it, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Boogie Down movement, nigga. Okay, I got 5 on it. Do you wanna get high, homie? Cause I'm trying to get higher than the sky, homie. When these niggas waiting on me cause I'm smoking good, they waiting on me cause I'm posted up on Wildwood. And they say why I'm coming up, because nigga while I was growing up, niggas had bummy shoes and them fucking grits. Now niggas tryna rob just to get rich. Niggas tired of waking up with that same shit. Niggas say they got 5 but they ain't saying shit. Niggas say they got 10 but they ain't saying shit. My niggas out here, they be king shit. I got 5 on it, like them OGs. I got 5 on it, like I got Kel keys. I got 5 on it, like I'll just come to school. I got 5 on it, like I'm fucking cool. I'm acting fucking rude, changing all the fucking rules. I'm smacking niggas and I'm taking niggas back to school. I bring the tool with to me, fuck with me. I cut the niggas, mix them up like he a recipe. I dare nigga fuck with me, I be artillery. I hit them up, niggas just call it salt and battery. The way I beat them, nigga, it was so retarded, B. I left from there and left from solid like a fucking coward. I'm going in, nigga, just like fucking Myers. And niggas acting why I'm killing the niggas like this. And they say why I'm drilling these niggas like this. And I be fucking they bitches and don't give them no kiss. I'm going in, motherfucker, like I'm Jadakiss. And I be killing all these niggas, killing all the kids. I got 5 on it, nigga, talking about a bid. I got 5 on it, nigga, time to kill a kid. If a nigga fuck with me, I'm gonna have to do the bid, because I'm slapping niggas up and I don't care about them. And I be going in and drink a beer about it. And I be smoking niggas, smoking something fair about it. The good weed, take a hit, leave you high as fuck. I'm